one idea in one man or one woman can transform an entire world. So if you truly believe in Spigit, and I do, and you believe in crowdsourcing, you ought to believe that now we have technology that allows the kind of Gandhis to transform the world as it is today to something else.
Mohan Nair, and I'm the SVP and Chief Innovation Officer for Cambia Health Solutions. I started as Chief Innovation Officer. I was assigned that job in 2010. I immediately decided that we'd require some crowdsourcing technology to enable people with no voices in an organization to gain at least an electronic voice, and then we'd follow up with a human connection. When I first started with them, there was a lot of skepticism because you're in a very compliant-oriented organization, and that's generally the case when you start innovation programs. So we engaged people, and those people told other people, and after a while you have 500 igniters out of 5,000 people. One of the favorite people I had was an individual who was a pharmacist, and he met a friend who has cancer. And that person was telling him a story of how he's going through cancer drugs and can't figure out which drugs really work for them. Well, that person went to his boss and said, I think I have an idea to create transparency around these drugs, and because we do clinical research, can we turn those clinical research data in a consumer format to give consumers so we can free them from the prison of ignorance? So that idea was rejected by the person who was his boss. And then all of a sudden we did a challenge, and in that challenge he found an opportunity to share that idea again. And we picked it up by picking him up, and now it has become a company.
We created crowdsourced innovation technology a la Spigit. Results to date: 29% of the organization of 5,000 people engaged at any point in time in innovative activities, either engaging in the storylines or drawing the storylines. 10 patents produced in the last 2 years alone. 1,200 ideas this year, 24 accelerations per year on average. We do that rapid fire, and we'll produce about $171 million in contributed revenue as measured by actuarial measures.
So I think what we're doing here is actually freeing people to execute on their beliefs in the most technological way.